Hello. Today, we will show you how to use the Velodyne's Puck Lidar sensor with RTMaps. RTMaps supports Velodyne's Lidar sensors since many years. Thanks to the RTMaps Velodyne package, you can use and visualize data from all surround lidar models and more on demand. This is our Velodyne's Puck Lidar sensor. Power it on and connect it to our laptop via Ethernet. Double-check the lidar and the laptop interface are on the same subnet. Let's start RTMaps. First, we'll acquire the sensor payload thanks to a UDP Socket component. We'll be listening on port 2368. This is the default configuration of the Velodyne sensor. Note that an alternative could be to use the RTMaps PCAP package, with a PCAP capture component followed by a PCAP splitter with the right filters. Let's check that we receive the right payload with a sample rate component and a get vector size component. Let's add a data viewer. On the sample rate component, check the output sample rate option in the properties. We acquire 754 packets per second, each made of 1206 bytes. That looks correct. We can now decode the stream with a Velodyne decoder component, and turn the different output vectors into a point cloud. This operation requires a calibration file, in our case, vlp16.xml. Point clouds can be displayed with the 3D viewer component. Let's run our application. We can now enhance the visualization a bit by generating a colorized point cloud, here based on the intensity values. We indicate the 3D viewer that it should now interpret the input vector as 6 uples of XYZ RGB values. Learn more about LiDAR support and lidar data processing features in RTMaps in the next videos. Thanks for watching.